Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The range of signed decimal numbers that can be represented by 6-bit 1's complement number is. There are 4 options are given A, B, C, D. Out of that one, what is the range of decimal numbers represented using 6 bits in case of 1's complement? Generally, negative numbers are going to be represented. Negative numbers can be represented using 3 ways. First one is nothing but signed representation. That is signed magnitude representation. And second one is nothing but 1's complement representation, and third one is nothing but 2's complement representation. Let us assume we are going with n bit representation. So the number is going to be used with n bit representation. Okay, so if there is no negative numbers, all are going to be used for positive numbers. By that time 2 power n possibilities are there for the positive numbers, so that it can be, if it is 4 bit, at that time 0 to 15 are going to be used. All possible combinations, 16 possible combinations will be used for the positive numbers only if it is unsigned. But now we are going with signed, so we will be having positive numbers, we will be having negative numbers. So with n bits you have to represent positive numbers as well as negative numbers. So generally we think that one half of the possible combinations of n bit will be used for the positive, half of the possible combinations will be used for the negative. If it is n bit, the total possible combinations are going to be 2 power n. So for that one, if you want to represent positive numbers as well as negative numbers, at that time we may think that one 2 power n minus 1 are going to be used for the positive numbers, 2 power n minus 1 will be used for the negative numbers. Okay, by that time, okay, we should go for the whether 0 is represented as positive or negative. In signed magnitude, you will be having plus 0 as well as minus 0. In 1's complement also you will be having positive 0 and negative 0. But in 2's complement you will be having only 1 0. Okay, whenever there are 0 is for representation for positive 0 and negative 0, at that time the range is nothing but the range of using n bits. The range will be from minus of 2 power n minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1. This was the range. 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So this is the range for this one. Okay, I will write it again. So here the range is going to be represented in this way. For this one, minus of 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. The same range is also valid. Here also you will get the same range. Both are same for 1's complement and signed magnitude, because both are having one positive 0, one negative 0. So the range is same. Range of signed magnitude, range of 1's complement is same. But here in 2's complement only you are having positive 0. So that negative numbers you are representing more. You are representing negative numbers, you can represent, that is there is no minus 0, so that a negative number can be represented a bit, can be represented more. Okay, one negative number will be more than positive number because it doesn't have negative 0. So that the range is going to be 2 power n minus 1 minus of 2 power n minus 1 to positive of 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So this is the range of 2's complement. Okay, so the question is asked about the 1's complement range whenever n is equal to 6. When n is equal to 6, the range is nothing but minus of 2 power n minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, minus 1, 2, plus 2 power n minus 1, 5, minus 1. So 2 power 5 is 32, minus 1 is 31. So minus 31 to plus 31 is nothing but range. So minus 31 to plus 31 is nothing but option is A. So the right option for this question is A. Range of signed binary decimal numbers that can be represented using 6 bits in 1's complement is nothing but minus 31 to plus 31. Thank you.